that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep.
What's up, YouTube? Your boy back again. Dip Game in the building. Yeah, your boy cleaned up a little bit. Yeah, but yeah, man, we back with another one. Today I said I'm gonna drive old Black Beauty because I ain't driving in a while. So today, you see, I got it covered. I took the cover off and everything, and I'm about to get ready to clean up and drive it this week. But as I was doing that, and with that problem with the fish eyes and everything, so what I did, I went ahead and did some maintenance on my air compressor and everything. And I got some photos and everything of what happened, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you also too. I thought I had water, probably a lot of water in the tank, so I let it out. It wasn't that much water. In there, but still, I let that water out, and you can see the flow. You can see the residue probably on the flow of the rust water in there and everything. You can see right here I got the towels, the shop towels. You can look right here where the water ran, and also splatter painted my car with that rust water, but it won't matter anyway because I'm about to get ready to wash and everything. But yeah, I said I'm gonna catch this a little bit what I was doing in the shop as part of me working in the shop, but also, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna just chill out, clean up, take Black Beauty on the run for this week. Check everything, see everything gonna be good. Battery, keep the battery charged and everything else, instead of just crank it up and let it sit and hour. So that's what your boy got for today. So I hit you back on another. What's up, everybody? I'm back. Yeah, back in the shop, and I don't know how much I went into and dealt with the air compressor and the auxiliary tank. Yeah, right here. Yeah, so this was a air compressor, and the motor had went out. On it, and so I end up. You see, I got another one over there. So but I end up getting another one. So I said I'm gonna make this one auxiliary tank. And like I was saying yesterday, by that one doing the work, I said I was gonna do some maintenance, flush the tank, which I did, and everything came out good with that. But this right here, I still got the gauges and stuff on there, but with this lever right here. All right, I'm gonna post the picture of the tube, a little pipe. I can show you on that one, but it was a little pipe that go to right here to right here, which I took that piece off. All right, let me see if I can find it. All right, here goes the piece right here. So this was the piece that go right here. This was the piece that go right here, from right there to right here, in like a Z shape. But alright, by this right here, it was sending the air pressure up there like a bypass. I guess it was pressure or something. But I was flickering this lever right here, and it's like it wouldn't stop it. So what I did was I went ahead and took this off, which I ain't gonna probably need, and I went to the hardware store and got this coupling with this piece right here, and I'm gonna I need to get the threaded tape, some threaded tape and put on there. That's what I'm about to do next. But like on this right here, we got this piece right here. It goes around and it goes to the tank. It goes to the tank. So I guess let's say if it probably got too much pressure on it, it'll lift up that little lever and relieve the pressure off of it, off the tank, or I don't know. But right here, if it do have a whole lot of pressure, it got a blow off right there. So that's why I let this stay on here, because it got that blow off right there. True enough, it probably gonna scare the hell out of me if it do have a whole lot of pressure in it. But I still want to be safe. I still want to be safe with it and everything. So as of right now, I'm gonna take this off and put some of that threaded tape on there and put it back on here and test it out. See if it's gonna leak air. So stay with your boy. We're gonna get this thing done. Alright, man, we back. Alright, so now I got it. I got some of that threaded tape threaded around the places that need to be taped off on the thread. And right now, we're about to test it out. So, get ready to test this bad boy out. Hope everything come out good. Or they pop out bad, gonna scare the hell out of me one. Alright. Sound like a whole lot of pressure going in now. Turn down the pressure a little bit. So the tank is empty. So you see the gauge is still working.
Came up a lot of sounds, more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds, more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about.
Alright. So I went ahead and unplugged. Like she holding out. She holding out. I don't feel enough air coming out for it. I don't hear nothing leaking from the blow off port. Look like we did it. And we alright, we did it. Everything good. So we're gonna leave it at that. Until next time.